InverterCool's central ducted heat pump system is here. Featuring a smart variable speed heat pump, a multi-position air handler, a Wi-Fi thermostat, and an FTD remote device. With an original 10-year triple protection warranty and installation in selected markets, which includes 10-year part, labor, and cellular monitoring and initiative service, it makes you in peace of mind from order to installation and 10 years beyond. This InverterCool central ducted heat pump system just perfectly fits onto your existing ductwork without changing any wiring and piping. It also comes with high energy efficiency, quiet operation, and online fault detection and diagnostics, which bring your uninterrupted comfort and help you to save thousands of dollars of electricity bills in the product's life cycle. So, don't forget to check the rebate program in your state. You can even save more. Visit InverterCool.com to know more about our product's original triple protection warranty, financing solution, and installation area. InverterCool.com, the one-stop shop for your AC replacement.